Dr. Deuk here at Deuk Spine Institute. It's Groundhog Day, I believe, right? February 2nd, so 2/2/2022. And I'm here with one of my patients who traveled from, where did you come from?
Tennessee.
Tennessee. And why would you travel from Tennessee to Florida to Deuk Spine Institute?
I have been miserable for months, and I found you and did a consult with you and knew this is where I needed to come for good treatment and relief.
And what kind of problem were you having that brought you to Deuk Spine Institute?
Severe lower back pain, which turned into sciatica, and it was down my left leg constantly. I slept about 2-3 hours a night at most, and I could not sit for more than 5 minutes, and I had to be standing up.
And did you try some other treatments in Tennessee or elsewhere?
I did. When this whole thing started and it was a bad flare, I thought I'll be able to work through this. Chiropractic, physical therapy, 2 spinal injections, massage therapy.
And how did you know those treatments did not work for you?
I had no relief at all. My sleeping continued to get worse, and my pain was never better.
And do you have relief now?
Absolutely. I would say I have 95% relief.
Awesome.
And it's amazing. After surgery yesterday, I put on a back brace. I walked out of here. I sat down yesterday for probably over an hour and had lunch. Last night, in bed, I had 0 pain. It's a miracle.
Well, we're very happy that you're doing so well. And your surgery was a great one because we fixed 2 discs. You had herniated disc at L45, L5S1, and you can see in this footage right here that we grabbed the herniation out, and one of the herniations was really big, and it was really gratifying to get it out because it was resting on your sciatic nerve. Once we took it out, I think your sciatic nerve probably felt a sigh of relief.
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah, and the surgery went very well. The laser debridement of the annulus went well, and I feel like your pain's going to be gone. It's not going to come back.
I would agree.
All right, very good. Well, is there anything else you want to tell your viewers?
Folks, if you're suffering and you're not getting relief from those non-invasive therapies, then come see Dr. Deuk and have him look at your MRI and give a good diagnosis. And if you need to have surgery, you come down here. He will take good care of you, and so will his team.
I really appreciate that. Thank you so much.
Thank you.